Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Niyamat Nadir for Gemini Properties and today we are at one of the societies in Koregaon Park, that is the Clover Park View. So let's go up. Right now we are at the lobby of the building. This building has one elevator. The elevator also has security cameras. So right now we are at the lobby of the apartment. We are now at the entrance of the apartment and as soon as we enter, to my left hand side is where the kitchen is. It is a semi-furnished apartment and the kitchen has a refrigerator, cabinets, a gas with 4 burners, cabinets with an island, drawers for your spoons, your forks, a water purifier, an exhaust fan in the kitchen, a cupboard to store your crockery in that also has 2 drawers. This is where the dry balcony is. The dry balcony has a window. That directly looks into the society. Also provision made for you to dry your clothes and a connection for your washing machine. The kitchen also has these switches over here so you can keep your microwave or your oven or your mixer grinder over here. The kitchen also has a curtain rod right here. So if you want to separate the kitchen from the living room, you can just put a curtain up here. As soon as we come out of the kitchen, we enter into the living and the dining area of the apartment. This is where the living room is. There is a connection for your television over here. A fan, lights and a balcony attached. Connecting to the living room is the dining room. The dining room comes with a table and 5 chairs, a fan and lights. And connecting to the living and the dining room is the first bedroom. This room comes with cupboards. An AC, fan, and a bathroom attached. Right opposite the first bedroom is where the second bedroom is. The one that's bang opposite is the master bedroom. Let's go have a look at the second bedroom first. This can be used as your kid's bedroom. This room comes with a bed, a cupboard, a television, fan, glass door cupboards or storage space, a window with mosquito nets, and again you can see the beautiful sunset from this window as well. Right across this bedroom is where the common bathroom is. This bathroom has a geyser installed. Let's go and have a look at the master bedroom. The master bedroom also comes with a bed, cupboard, drawers, window with mosquito net, extra storage space, cabinet with drawer, an AC, fan, and a bathroom attached. This bathroom also has a geyser installed with an exhaust fan in it. So the apartment that we are in today is a 3 BHK semi-furnished apartment. It is a 1350 square feet and the price that the owners are expecting for this beautiful apartment is 1 crore 40 lakhs only. It is situated in Koregaon Park and the society that we are in is Clover Park View. This apartment comes with one car park and the society has all the amenities like the play area for the kids, swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, everything. Speaking a little about the location, we are in Koregaon Park right now in lane 7. Everything is very close by, you name it, from food to shopping. Koregaon Park is known for it. It also has the Osho Ashram very nearby, and also the Kalyani Nagar is just a signal away. Right from that signal you go to the underpass and that is where your airport is just 10 minutes away from this society, and to the left side of Koregaon Park is where the Dholapatal Boat Club and the camp is. Speaking about the essential needs and the facilities around, schools like Bishop Symbiosis, International School like Symbiosis is close by, and also the hospitals like the Sahyadri, the Ruby, the Jahangir, everything is very close by. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, that is Nadan Nilgiriwala, and also contact the number given below, that is Rosina Nilgiriwalas, for more details of this beautiful property in Koregaon Park. Thank you so much.